Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare a simple lunchbox recipe, coconut milk rice. For this, pour some oil in a pressure cooker. To this add a bay leaf, a small piece of cinnamon, 1 cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, a few blackstone flour, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute this for about 2 minutes and then add half a cup of chopped onions and a handful of curry leaves. To this add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. To this add 3 to 4 green chillies. The spiciness of this dish depends upon the green chillies, so you can adjust according to your taste. After sauteing the green chillies, add 1/4 cup of mint leaves, 1/4 cup of coriander leaves and 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes. Give a nice saute. Add the required amount of salt. Adding salt will help the tomatoes to cook quickly. Now saute this for around 2 to 3 minutes and then we are going to add the basmati rice. This is 1 cup of basmati rice soaked in water for about half an hour. For 1 cup of basmati rice, I am going to add 1.5 cups of coconut milk. So this is ready to be pressure cooked now. Pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles. The rice is perfectly cooked. Now slowly give a mix. While pressure cooking, the masalas used to come at the top, so we have to give a nice mix. As a final touch, I am going to add a teaspoon of ghee to this. You can avoid oil and always use ghee to cook this. It will give you a nice aroma and taste. Our coconut milk rice is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.